Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PayPal limited account. An account limitation means you currently have restrictions on certain activities, such as sending funds, receiving payments, or withdrawing money. This often happens to ensure account security or to comply with financial regulations. You will always receive a notification explaining the reason. Please log into your account to see the specific details. Once logged in, navigate directly to your account's resolution center. This dedicated section provides a clear, step-by-step guide for resolving your limitation. It will list all specific actions you need to take and any documents you are required to submit. Take a moment to read through each request carefully, ensuring you understand exactly what is needed for your specific case, as requirements vary. You will likely be asked to upload documents, such as a government-issued photo identification like a driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill from the last 3 months. It is crucial that these documents are clear, legible, and precisely match the information on your PayPal account. Simply upload the high-quality scans or photos directly within the Resolution Center, following the prompts for each specific requirement. After you have submitted all the requested information, your account enters a review period. The team will carefully assess your documents to ensure everything is in order. You can regularly check the Resolution Center for status updates or look for emails regarding your case. This review process usually takes about 2 to 5 business days, but in some instances, it might extend to a few weeks, especially if further information is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.